So, how to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. Welcome back guys to this brand new video. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode and then disable it. Go back, click on the apps manager, go to the apps. Now click on the Instagram app right here, and now here all what you want to do is click on force stop. After that, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and if you don't want to lose any data, you don't click on clear data. And then go back, click on the data usage and make sure to enable all those options right here. That's it now for today's tutorial. Hope this video was helpful.